Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to play Spotify on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to animate it. So first of all, open your Spotify playlist. Which playlist you want to play on your Discord. For example, I want to play this playlist. So after opening the playlist or album, click on this three dot icon and share, then click on copy link to playlist, and now go to your Discord and open that server. All you have to need, just paste the copied playlist link here and hit enter, and boom, here you can see the playlist showing up here. So this was how we can play Spotify on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to animate. Thank you for watching.